Hiya, I'm just going to give you a quick first impression of the RF 28 to 70mm f2.8 IS STM lens. I just got it delivered today. So let's have a look together and I'll compare it with the other lenses I have in terms of size and how it fit onto my R8. So there you go, put the box away. Right, that's it. It feels quite nice in the hand. It's not too big and not too heavy. It's great size for 2.8 lens. I know there are limitations. For example, the 28mm on the wide end instead of 24, and also obviously the build is probably not as good as the L lens. And from what I heard, they're more relying on in-camera color corrections. But this lens, as opposed to the other consumer lens, is actually weather seal. As you can see, there's a rubber seal here, so that is fantastic. So as in how it compares to the other lenses in similar category, what I have here is I have the 24 to 105 lens, variable aperture lens, and it actually looks at about the same size. I also have the 15 to 30 millimeters wide angle lens, and it actually slightly bigger than that. Let me put them together so you can see there's actually minimal difference between these three lenses. I think this is a bit heavier, but in terms of size, they're very similar. This is how it feels like on my R8. It actually feels very good and very well balanced. It's not front heavy at all. I think this is a perfect lens for this camera. You might wonder, which one should I use as my day-to-day zoom lens? I think that's quite hard to decide, because obviously this one has got smaller apertures, but it has got a wider at the wide end and quite a bit longer at the long end. So I would say if I'm traveling to city in the daytime, I'd probably take this. But if I cover events like indoor situation, I probably just take this one because of the wider apertures. So that's the quick first impression. Please subscribe. I will get my review out as soon as possible, time allowing. Looking forward to see you again. Ciao.